हेलो नमस्ते, मैं हूं डॉक्टर सौरभ। आप सभी का सिंसियर ब्रेनी में स्वागत है। इस डेली इनटेक ऑफ राइस और यू कैन से 3 सर्विंग्स पर डे इज रियली एसोसिएटेड विद इंक्रीज रिस्क ऑफ टाइप 2 डायबिटीज। क्या सच में रेगुलर कंजप्शन ऑफ व्हाइट राइस सेफ है या इसका डायबिटीज के साथ क्या लिंक है? एंड व्हाई इंडिया इज नोन एज होम ऑफ डायबिटीज, द डायबिटीज कैपिटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? And what is the reason behind this? That diabetes is called as a silent epidemic. As per the World Economic Forum, diabetes claims 3 times more death as compared to the COVID-19. And as per the latest report, more than 4.2 billion deaths they are annually claimed by this diabetes globally. We need to eliminate all these facts, and you can relate this topic with the UPSC syllabus Science and Tech section under the subsection Health, and you will find more important information for your various other competitive exams. So let's discuss. You know that the rice is the staple cereal crop for half of the world population, and you see Asian culture alone it has more than 90% share in the global rice consumption. Means लगभग 90% जो राइस कंजप्शन है वो अकेले एशियन कंटिनेंट में ही की जाती है. एंड इंडिया इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ राइस in the world after China. You can see these are the different states in North India, and this is in the central zone, and these are in the south zone where the rice is grown and cultivated widely. And if you talk about the leading state in the rice production, so you can say the West Bengal is the leading state in the rice production. And if you are asked that which region is the known as the rice bowl of India, so you can say the Krishna Godavari Delta region, and which is in Andhra Pradesh. It is known as rice bowl of India. Yet same term is used for the Chhattisgarh state also, that is rice bowl of India. But if you are asked about this region, then it is Krishna Godavari Delta region, that is known as rice bowl of India. You can see here that India is the second largest producer of rice in the world, followed by the China. And if you see about the diabetes, that World Economic Forum, as I told you, that they have claimed that 3 times more deaths are claimed by this diabetes as compared to the COVID-19, and more than 4.2 billion deaths globally. They are due to this effect of diabetes. So let's see some interesting facts about the diabetes, and you can see as per the International Diabetes Federation. Recently, they have published their 9th edition report, and according to this report, globally, currently there are 463 million people who are affected with diabetes, and this figure is going to reach a mark of 700 million by 2045. You can see here that currently there are 463 million people, and this figure is going to reach a mark of 700 million by 2045. Means in about 2.5 decades, means 25 years span, there will be a surge in 51% increase in the number of patients or diabetic patients. 51% increase. And if you see the case of Southeast Asia, and here 74% increase you can see, and in African countries, or you can say North Africa and Middle East and African countries, the situation is going to be more worse, because you can see here that 96% increase and 143% increase in the next 25 years in the number of diabetic patients. You can see here. So that's why you can see how deadliest is this silent pandemic. And if you talk about some other important facts, that 1 in 5 of these people who are above 65 years of age, they are affected with diabetes. And diabetes caused 4.2 million deaths annually and the worldwide. And diabetes caused at least 460 billion US dollar expenditure in the health expenditure in the 2019. If you want to read in detail about this full report, you can go directly to the IDF sites, International Diabetes Federation site, and it is freely available there. And if we talk about the India, so India is known as the home to 77 million diabetic patients, second highest in the world. You see, the first is China, where you can see more than 160 million people they are affected with the diabetes, and India is the second highest, and followed by the USA. So you can see these China and India. These are the two giants who claims more affected people with the diabetes. You can see here the down to earth का लास्ट ईयर अभी लास्ट मंथ का ही आर्टिकल है. Diabetes among the senior citizens more prevalent in urban India as per the LASI report. LASI means the first longitudinal aging study of India. So they submitted a report and they claim that why India is often called as diabetes capital of the world. So उसमें ये बताते हैं कि among Indians अगर 45 की एज के ऊपर की बात करें तो among Indians over the 45 years of age लगभग 11.5% people are there affected with diabetes. एंड इसमें भी उन्होंने ये फाइंड आउट किया है कि जो अर्बन पॉपुलेशन है that is the number of diabetic patients are increasing in the urban population. You can see in the different age groups, whether it's 45 to 59 or above 60 and between above 45. So you can see here in the urban population, you can see there are higher number of diabetic patients. And then इन द एरियाज की बात करें तो जो हमारे सदर्न स्टेट्स हैं तो देर इज हाई प्रेवलेंस ऑफ डायबिटीज इन द सदर्न स्टेट्स में एंड साइड बाय साइड इन द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में भी यू कैन सी इन द सदर्न एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स देर इज हायर कंजप्शन ऑफ राइस. एंड साउथ सदर्न स्टेट्स की बात करें तो केरला हैज द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ पीपल विथ डायबिटीज. एंड इंडिया में डायबिटीज इज द थर्ड मेजर कंट्रीब्यूटर टू द नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेज एंड ओवरऑल death in the India. So you can see here that World Economic Forum, they have claimed that more than 4.2 million lives they are claimed by the diabetes every year worldwide, and this silent epidemic is 3 times more deadly as compared to the COVID-19. So actually what happens with the diabetes, mainly you can say type 2 diabetes, you can suffer with the strokes, vision loss, there is vision loss, heart attack, heart failure, then kidney failures and sexual dysfunction. And ultimately you can see that more than 4.2 million people they lose their lives annually due to the infection of this diabetes. And there are so many reasons for the diabetes. It may be there, or it may be biological also, means genetic also, and genetic reasons are also there. And your food style or lifestyle is also one of the important reason for the incidence of diabetes. So what is the connection of rice with the diabetes? Actually different reports or different studies have been conducted in the past decades, okay, regarding the connection of rice with the diabetes, because you know that rice along with the wheat and maize, these are the staple cereals which provides more than 42% of the calorie, okay, for the entire human population. And rice is the staple food for more than half of the world population. You can say that more than 3.5 billion people they depend on the rice for the source of energy. And why rice is actually in the past few years the rice has gained a bad reputation, and that is considered bad for other patients who are trying to lose their weight. And one link is that by consumption of rice, that is linked with the diabetes and increase in weight gain. That's why many people who are suffering from the diabetes or who have been asked further losing their weight, they are refrained from eating the white rice. But different studies have been published, and many contradictory reports have been made in the past decades. You can see in one of the report based on this study which was conducted in the Singapore by the National University of Singapore, the rice intake and the risk of type 2 diabetes. Based on this study, the reporter found that eating rice does not increase the diabetes risk, and this study was published in the European Journal of Nutrition. Or you can say white rice consumption not associated with the higher risk of type 2 diabetes. And they said that if you replace one serving of rice को अगर आप replace कर देते हैं with noodles, red meat and poultry, then that is more dangerous, means that is increasing higher risk of type 2 diabetes. और अगर आप इसको replace करते हैं with white bread और other healthy food के साथ, so that will lower the type 2 diabetes. ठीक है. But ये जो studies हैं they were mainly confined to one or two region or one or two country specific. But there was another study in the back to 2012 and 2012 में भी एक study published हुई थी, and they reported that white rice has a link to diabetes risk, means higher or regular consumption of white rice, it is linked with the diabetes. Or you can say that eating white rice regularly may raise type 2 diabetes or the rise of diabetes, an undeniable link. And this concept, the fuel was added to fire with another recent study which was published last year in the month of November, just by the different means international institutions and collaborations. And they claim that you can see that the print का article है ये, the white rice linked to the diabetes especially in the South Asia, says 21 nation study done over the 10 years. ठीक है, तो ये diabetes care, you can, if you want to read the full article, you can go through the this journal website diabetes care and you can find the article. So actually इसमें होता क्या है कि in this study as you can see that they studied about 1.3 lakh individuals. You can say 1.3 lakh individuals from the 21 different nations. Okay, so about 1.3 lakh people they were put on. They were monitored from the 21 different countries. Okay, including Europe, Africa, North and South America, and Asia. Okay, and these were monitored for a decade actually for their for the intake of white rice consumption and for the incidence of diabetes. Okay, and they also claimed in their report that in the study that white rice, it has also been linked with the outbreak of beriberi in Asia. Beriberi is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B. Okay, and it is also linked with the increase in blood sugar level. Okay, which is mainly due to the consumption of high glycemic index. एक्चुअली ये जो राइस है या जितने भी मतलब फूड कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिच फूड्स हैं, दे आर रिच इन ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स एंड दैट इज रिलेटेड टू इंक्रीज इन द हाई ब्लड शुगर लेवल. ठीक है, एंड दे आल्सो फाउंड दैट दिस साउथ एशियंस दे आर जेनेटिकली मोर एक्सपोज टू गेट डायबिटीज. ठीक है, जो साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज के जो लोग हैं उनमें डायबिटीज पेशेंट जो वो ज़्यादा है, और इसके डिफरेंट रीजंस हैं. दैट कुड बी बायोलॉजिकल और उनका लाइफस्टाइल या उनका जेनेटिक्स और उनका फूड हैबिट्स यू कैन से. ठीक है, तो जैसा कि इसमें बताया गया कि दे स्टडीड अबाउट 1.3 लाख इंडिविजुअल्स बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 35 एंड 70. ठीक है, फ्रॉम द 21 डिफरेंट नेशंस फॉर ए डेकेड, मीन्स फॉर अबाउट 10 ईयर्स. ओके, एंड दे फाउंड दैट, उसमें इन्होंने पाया कि अबाउट 6,000 पीपल्स, ठीक है, दे वर डेवलप्ड विद द डायबिटीज ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ स्टडी ड्यूरिंग द स्पैन ऑफ दिस 1 decade. ओके, एंड इन दिस स्टडी दे आल्सो फाउंड दैट जो साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज हैं, ठीक है, यू कैन सी द साउथ एशिया, दे कंज्यूम हायर मीन्स राइस, मीन्स यू कैन से दैट 630 ग्राम पर डे, followed by Southeast Asian countries like 239 gram per day, and then China, and similarly other countries. Okay, so their results revealed that higher intake of white rice means more than 450 gram per day. It was linked with the higher incidence of, or you can say higher risk of type 2 diabetes. Okay, so you can see that जो इंडिया है, that is मेल इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, they are considered under the South Asian countries. Okay, and South Eastern Asian countries हैं, वियतनाम है, म्यांमार है. So you can see in these countries they found that higher incidence, that's why there is a higher incidence of diabetes. Okay, that India is known as the home of the diabetes, and a higher consumption of white rice regularly, that is related with the increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Okay, then further studies they also reported that white rice को अगर हम रिप्लेस करें अनपॉलिश्ड ब्राउन राइस के साथ, ओके, तो क्या होगा कि जो ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स है जिसकी मैं बात करूं, तो उसका जो रिस्पॉन्स है वो 23% कम हो जाएगा. बट क्या होता है कि जो कंज्यूमर है, दे यूजली डोंट प्रेफर द ब्राउन राइस बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लॉन्गर टाइम ऑफ कुकिंग, है ना, कुकिंग के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है और इसको च्यूइंग करने में भी थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी होती है और उतना पैलेटेबल भी नहीं होता है और इतना अपीयरेंस में भी इतना अट्रैक्टिव नहीं होता है. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ मेनली डेटेड बाय द पीपल. बट एक्चुअली होता क्या है कि तो इसमें होता क्या है एक्चुअली कि जो राइस है या दूसरे स्टेपल्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिच फूड्स हैं उनमें ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स होता है. ठीक है, मतलब जो ये ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स या कह लो एंड ग्लिसेमिक लोड जो होता है, जो जनरली होता है 72 इन जनरल वाइट राइस वराइटीज में 70 अबव भी होता है. तो एक्चुअली व्हाट दिस ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स और ग्लिसेमिक लोड इट डज, it actually increase the postprandial level of blood glucose. Okay, actually what they do, they kill the beta cells, ये जो high intake of glycemic index food जो है actually it leads to the killing of beta cells and that leads to the means in failure of proper immune functioning and you can say the insulin hormone. ठीक है, मीन्स इंसुलिन जो हार्मोन होता है जो कि ब्लड में शुगर लेवल को कंट्रोल करता है, ठीक है, रेगुलेट करता है. तो जब क्या होता है कि ये बीटा सेल को जो ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स फूड्स हैं, अगर हम ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स लेंगे सो दैट लीड्स टू द किलिंग ऑफ बीटा सेल्स एंड जो इंसुलिन है मीन्स दैट बॉडी जो है दैट बिकम्स unable to use the insulin hormone to regulate the blood sugar level, okay, and that leads to the risk of type 2 diabetes. और साइमल्टेनियसली जो अगर हम आर्सेनिक कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर यूज करते हैं इरिगेशन के लिए, ठीक है, इफ यू यूज द आर्सेनिक कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर फॉर द इरिगेशन, तो दिस आर्सेनिक इज आल्सो एट्रीब्यूटेड टू द डिस्ट्रॉय ऑफ बीटा सेल्स. सो यू कैन सी हियर दैट if rice it has a glycemic index and a glycemic load, if you take higher consumption of a regular white rice, means say for more than 450 gram per day, so that will increase the blood sugar level and ultimately it will lead to the killing of the beta cells and it will increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. So ultimately what they suggest in this report, they say that if you replace this polished white rice को अगर हम replace करें with other cereals or other healthier varieties of rice which have the low glycemic index, okay, or low glycemic load है, okay, and by adding more pulses, vegetables, fruits in our balanced diet, okay, so that may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and that will also reduce the consumption of white rice simultaneously. Okay, so we should need to it's not like that white rice is we should not consume the white rice, we should consume, but we should take a balanced diet and regular and excess of anything is harmful for the body, you know that. And in this context many low glycemic index varieties have been bred by the different institutions or different researchers. You can see like that if you see that one such variety is Swarna from the India which has the low glycemic index and Dungara from the Australia. अगर हम ग्लिसेमिक इंडेक्स की बात करें तो if the glycemic index value is below 55 then it is considered as low and 55 to 70 is the moderate and more than 70 is considered as the high glycemic index. Similarly other varieties have been developed in India recently, that is Lala which have the GI value glycemic index value of 53, BPT and Sampada. You can see all of these three varieties have the glycemic index value that is below 55, means they have the low glycemic index value, so they are safe to consume, means there is no risk of diabetes. So ultimately I can say that we should diversify our diet and excess of anything is harmful. Have a healthy diet and balanced diet. With this I would like to end today's video. I hope you might have found some interesting points and which may be useful for your various competitive exams. And if you have any queries, you can write us, you can comment us, and you can mail us in our mail ID. And with this, I would like to thank you very much. Thank you. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay healthy. Thank you.